Ancient Hall of Records found in Romania, kept secret since 2003. A high-level Italian Freemason was the first to alert a top-secret paranormal unit of the Romanian intelligence service about the discovery made by U.S. ground-penetrating radar. The Pentagon was running many military and geodesic programs in 2002, employing satellites based on the technologies above. The satellite detected a specific structure within the Bucegi Mountains of Romania. An unexpected finding of a massive anomaly inside Romania's Bucegi Mountains was made in 2003. A high-ranking Italian Freemason was the first to notify the Romanian Security Service's top-secret paranormal unit about the U.S. ground-penetrating radar discoveries. The discovery of a massive hemisphere or dome-shaped object inside the mountain triggered a complicated chain of geopolitical moves that resulted in Romania being fast-raced into NATO for protection. All of this co-occurred as a comparable anomaly was discovered in Iraq, making it a previously unknown element in the US-led war. And we have here the scheme of the enigmatic structure found in Bucegi, Romania. The mountain's brow, the semi-spherical energy barrier, mountain's base plane, and the tunnel entrance, the first energy barrage weir. Now, inside the mystery, the tower was a great reservoir of old information, an authentic Noah's Ark of holographically preserved lost knowledge and DNA. This ancient hall of records was constructed by a towering race of giants or humanoid extraterrestrials, they claim. The Romanian Hall of Records has been embroiled in a complicated geopolitical battle between the Pentagon, the Romanian government, and leading Freemasons about whether to reveal or conceal material going into the public domain. There are 4 main tunnels and several smaller tunnels that lead to deeper and larger areas. There are rooms, gigantic chambers with huge tables and stone chairs for people much taller than ourselves in these tunnels. These chambers were built 50,000 years ago and are linked to one another by an energy source that activates all as one is triggered. All of our histories are stored in the projection room and may be viewed visually. Each side of the room has 5 tables. Some of them have various things that appear to be technological tools. There are a lot of white translucent cables dropping to the ground, which gather into rectangular boxes of glossy silver material. The boxes are set on the floor. Light pulses can be seen circulating along the length of the wires, which are incredibly flexible and lightweight. When you approach any of the tables, a holographic projection appears that depicts characteristics of a particular scientific discipline. The 3-dimensional representations are flawless and incredibly huge, reaching about 2.5 meters. That's about, 9 feet, 10 feet tall. The projections operate independently, but they are also interactive and rely on someone who interacts with the tables by touching their surfaces. The table surfaces may be observed by climbing on a specially designed tripod. They are encased in a black glassy material coating. The film is split into multiple huge squares bordered by straight lines making a grid. The subject is biology at one table, and the projected images are of plants and animals, some of which are unknown. The hologram displays the anatomy of the human body. When one of the squares is tapped, it generates holographic pictures of various body parts that constantly rotate. Other squares depict projections of different creatures on different celestial bodies. A comprehensive scientific examination reveals the DNA of both beings and the possibility of compatibility between them by tapping 2 separate squares simultaneously. In the following interview, Peter Moon, renowned author of the Montauk book series, talks about the Transylvania book series, which he began editing and publishing in 2009. He describes how he initially became interested in the Montauk Project's time travel studies. He has since returned to Romania regularly and has been able to validate crucial points of the tale. and this is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box